In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter and exit the safe mode on Realme GT 7T. So in order to enter the safe mode, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So I'm going to press the power button and volume up button in order to show the power menu, like this. And of course, we're going to slide this white circle down to power off. And we need to wait for the phone to completely turn off. Now, once the phone is completely off, next we're going to turn it back on, so you want to press and hold the power button. However, once you feel a little vibration or see the Realme logo on the screen, we need to count to 8, and after that we're going to press and hold volume down button. So let me demonstrate. I'm going to now press and hold the power button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to press and hold volume down. And keep holding it. Once we have the Realme UI over here, you should be able to feel a little vibration after a short while. So then you can release the volume down button. And as you can see right now, we are in the safe mode. Let's unlock the phone. Remember that if you go to the safe mode automatically, if you go to the safe mode, the airplane mode will be automatically enabled. And even if you exit the safe mode, it will still be on, so remember to turn it off afterwards. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you have to simply restart your device. So you're gonna once again press power button and volume up to open the power menu. And this time we're gonna slide up to restart our device. And now if our device, or when our device turns back on, we should be back into the normal mode. Once again, remember about the airplane mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.